Alright guys, welcome to Magicraft. I'm going to show you how I broke this game. So, you get these spells up here, and when you take these spells from your inventory, you put into a slot, you can now cast that spell. So that's what that spell looks like. It blows up, right? Alright, then you got another spell. I make it rain, right? Alright. So now you can combine the two, and now you can cast both of them. But then, you can also take this twine, which what it does is when this is flying, this also has, this falls with it. So, example, make it rain. Now they bounce. Right? But then, you can add things like this. So as I run around, instead of casting, it just falls for me. Right? Alright then. So, when you put this in there, it starts falling even more. Combine it with this, and it gets really dumb really fast. Alright. Now let's go break this game by going in here. This is the dog boss. Let's talk to him real quick. Start this battle. So, usually I would take a lot of damage here when he hits me, but because of my mana shield, I'm pretty good, right? Alright then, let's get silly with it. Make it rain! I'm stuck over here, I can't move really. Off the map this time. Oh shit. And the only way for me to stop this mess is by doing this. And that's what happened.